Hello guys, assalamualaikum and hello YouTube. My name is Nur Muhammad and I'm back with another unboxing. So yes, what do you think this one is? So yes, let's do a quick wristwatch check today. I'm wearing my Casio GWM5610BC on this gorgeous combi bracelet. So I've done a review for this particular watch, so please go ahead and check my video archive. So what is this, right? So let's see. I've already cut off the tape here, and boom. What is this? Black leather band made in China. Okay, so that's another one. Got two of them, and yes, a guanchin. All right, so I think 1 month before, or is it 2 months before, a Iris from Guanchin have contacted me and asked me, hey Nor, do you want to do a video review of our products? To that email, of course I said yes, and I picked these two models. Okay, so let's just check what is inside the box. Sorry guys, I have to do this with one hand, and we've got the usual cloth and guarantee, and I think this one is the GQ Vitic from 1989. What is this? Oh, okay, this is the manual instruction, so I'll get to that one later. And we have here the wow, oh man, that's huge. So this is the Guanchin. I don't really know what's the reference number of this one, but it is a homage, a heavy homage to the Nomos Lambda, I think. Yep. So okay, wow, that is a huge and quite a thick watch as well. Okay, so yeah. And what is that? And what is this? Oh, that's a nice spring bar tool, I think. Okay, that's a surprise, nice surprise. Okay, so let's make that back in the box. Why cannot I get? Okay, so I think yep, that's the, I don't know. Let's get the other one. Yep, so this is the Guanchin. The next one is a, let me see if I can pull this one off. Okay, yes, we have this Cadisen watch. And again, we have the manual instruction and the warranty card, I think. And the watch itself is back in this watch, and this plastic. Let's see what is inside. Yep, yes, that is the Cadisen automatic in black leather and a ceramic bezel. Okay, so wow, this is quite nice, man. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing a full review of these two products maybe in 1 or 2 weeks time, and I'll let you know how does it compare, or maybe yeah, I'll do my full full review, and also the fashion show of these watches soon. Okay, so until next time, I'll see you soon. Bye bye.